Soul Manifestation Review. Does this manifestation program work? Let's know it in this detailed Soul Manifestation Review. Before moving ahead, subscribe to Manifestation Unleashed channel if you are interested in the Law of Attraction videos, and if you want to get Soul Manifestation at a limited time discounted price, do check out the link in my description box or comment box below. What is the Soul Manifestation program all about? Soul Manifestation is a manifestation program that has been created to attract positive energy into your life. According to its vendor, this program will attract wealth, health and stability to your life and will change it once for all. Does the Soul Path Report actually change lives? Simply put, the answer is yes. We refuse to recommend anything that wouldn't work. If you're looking for specifics, here's exactly how the Soul Path Report will deliver the amazing results that you need to manifest the life that you've always wanted. 1. Addresses 3 major areas of life: love and romance, wealth, and health. This program is compiled with information that will help you tap into your highest self to manifest your best relationships and friendships, and tap into an unlimited source of abundance, from wealth to time and freedom. It also addresses the best ways to improve your health based on your soul's personal path. By putting all 3 together, this particular system is so much more powerful than any other manifestation programs on the market, because it corrects our thought processes and aligns us back onto your unique soul path. 2. Shadow work. This program isn't all about love and light as much as we want to really tap into those things. Your personal Soul Path Report also talks about the areas of your life that you didn't even know needed addressing, or your soul's natural shadow. It's necessary to include this part of yourself so that you can truly manifest your soul's deepest desires. 3. A comprehensive approach. Other tools that try to teach you about manifesting or connecting with your cosmic astrology tend to leave out integral information, leaving you on a constant search for more. Not with this program. The Personal Soul Path Report not only covers 3 major areas of life, but it dives into every aspect so that when you finish the report, you're well informed and ready to take on the world. 4. Information backed by historical facts. The Personalized Soul Path Report actually dives back into ancient history to not only educate you, but validate its practice with true historical, ancestral, and esoteric knowledge. 5. Easy to read and implement. The Personalized Soul Path Report is lengthy because it's overflowing with so much valuable information, but it's presented in a very easy to digest package. Not only does the report flow and make it super easy to read, but the action steps outlined within it are even easier to implement. 6. Countless success stories. The Personalized Soul Path Report has some really mind-blowing success stories from people who have used it. Some people went from being single and unsatisfied for years to find the soulmate of their dreams. Others are happier, less stressed, and more financially stable. 7. To 365-day money-back guarantee. Who do you know who has a full-year money-back guarantee? The Personalized Soul Path Report has generated so many successful stories that if you don't love your results, and we know you will, you can just get your money back. Literally, there is no risk. What do you have to lose? How does the Soul Manifestation program catalyze the major changes that are so impossible to make on your own? As I mentioned above, it seems almost impossible to implement long-lasting changes once you reach a certain age. In fact, there's scientific proof that it is harder because children are more attuned to theta wave frequency than adults are. You'll learn all about this in the program. Basically, once you become a certain age, your brain has accepted certain behaviors and stored them in your subconscious. Even when you try your hardest, they still seem to pop out and drag you back down to where you don't wish to be any longer. Alpha and theta frequencies unlock those stuck patterns in your brain. When you pair learning about your Personalized Soul Path Report with learning to master visualization and manifestation, you're on your way to creating the life that you truly soul is yearning for. Should you get Soul Manifestation? You have finally reached the end of my Soul Manifestation review. I hope you found it useful. So, what do you think? Does this amazing and life-changing manifestation program deserve to be on your to-buy list? If I were you, the answer would definitely be yes. Well, just think about it. Are you now convinced that soul manifestation is going to benefit your entire life? Then what are you waiting for? Its price will not stay affordable forever, so please click the link in the description box or comment box. And, with the money-back guarantee, this becomes easier for you. So click the link in the description box below to get access to the soul manifestation at a limited time discounted price. Last but not least, thank you for sticking with my soul manifestation review until the end. Have a good day.